Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Happy Sunday.
Good morning, sir, and happy Sunday.
I wish you the same.
Yes, my name is Massive Vital KK. I am here with my brother. We've noticed you're a devoted Christian. We've noticed that. So, my brother here has issue. Since he came back from Colombia, he can't de Colo. I really want you to help us, please. I beg you. He has not been normal. We've taken him to all the hospitals in this country. He has developed symptoms of madness. They say they can't help us. So I said, we have a devoted Christian here who can help us. That is why we came to see you.
No. I'm not a pastor. I'm just a church goer. If you actually want to cure him, maybe you follow me to church. Then my pastor will do that. Okay. Understand?
Sorry, no, not that. No,
I'm late for church.
So please, sir. Please, sir. I beg you, sir. See, there's nowhere we've not gone to for this my brother to be healed. We've gone to almost all the hospitals. In fact, one of the hospitals they charged us 2.8 million. But if we do that, it's not the money. If we do that, the healing might not be permanent. Please, God can use you because we know once God uses you, it will be permanent. And guess what? If you can heal our brother for us, please, we are giving you 3 million naira. Please. Please.
The Bible says with faith you can move mountain. If I move this mountain, then this 3 million naira will be mine.
It's 3 million. It's 3 million.
Okay.
God can use you.
God, take
There's
that
nothing God cannot do for you.
There's nothing.
Hey. Oh God.
3.
Untie him.
Pastor.
Untie him.
No. Please heal him first before we untie him.
Please.
You men of little faith. Where is your faith? I said untie him.
Please be in the spirit, please. What God cannot do
Does not exist.
What God cannot do
Does not exist.
What God cannot do
Does not exist.
You are looking at me. You foul spirit.
Amen.
Do you know me?
Jesus, I know. Peter, I know. Paul, I know. But who are you? I don't know you.
You will know me now.
Karibos. Hey!
You don't know. Hey!
This is our last bus stop. Yes. Oh God. This is our last bus stop. What God cannot do
Does not exist.
What God cannot do
Does not exist.
What God cannot do.
Receive it.
Amen.
Leave him. Don't hold him.
You should know him.
That is the spirit working. Leave him.
That is the spirit. Oh
God, have
thank
mercy
you,
upon
Jesus.
us.
Leave him. Thank you, Jesus. Leave him. Jesus.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
Hey.
Brother.
Man of God.
Brother.
Man of God. Man of God. Please, I think we should
Try him.
tie him, please. I think we should take him to the hospital, please. The hospital show fast, please. Please, let's take him. Tie him, please.